Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Skills with Shehreen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your LinkedIn business page. You are in the right place, so let's start. First, open your Google account and type LinkedIn login page. Once you open your profile page, then this type of dashboard appear in front of you. Now you can see this is my profile, LinkedIn profile. Now you want to create the page of your website, so I can click on for businesses, these 9 dots, and scroll down. You can see create a company page. Now I can click on plus and then I can add, click on company. I can add on there my website name. As you know, my website name is A1Trend365. I can add further details of my website, just like its link, its website link, its Gmail, company strength, how many people are working on there, and many others detail I can add on there. Now I can add the logo of my website on there to make my page more attractive, and then I can add tagline. Tagline must be 120 characters, so I can choose this line and verify terms and condition. On the other side you can see how our page build up. After all that, you can click on save. Now you can see our business profile page are make on LinkedIn. You can also see it as a member, how other people see this. Now I can scroll down, all informations are on there. Now I can add cover image on there on the background, so I can add upload cover image to make it more attractive and beautiful, and click on apply. After that saving, it can be shown on background. Now it's look beautiful. Further I want to add more details about my this page, so I go to the profile of my business page and click on add description, where I can add further details about my this website. 2000 words I can add on there. My business website URL correct, I correct business they ask us to add links, on there, so I can add link on there. They ask us specialties of my blogging website, so I can add different events on there and click on save. After clicking save, I can refresh my LinkedIn page account. When I refresh it, it can be show like this. All details, all information which I can add on there can be shown. I hope you can like this. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and tutorial. See you in the next video.